Good morning. It's my birthday today and we're going to look for a waterfall. Road trip! I think a little bit too much tawny yesterday. You should actually tie it to the boat, that helps. So now I'm waiting for my friend Cory from Spindrift 2, and we check out a Toro waterfall and a Choro hot springs today. Grab an Uber to the airport, get the rental car and get rolling. Come on, Cory. Still trying to get dressed?
Yeah, still.
Kinda late?
Yeah, a little late.
Let's get an Uber.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, to the airport. Alright. ¿Cómo te llama? Marco. Marco, ¿y tú?
Christian.
Christian.
Yeah.
Okay, I see here.
A little bit. Yeah.
I checked Google out a little bit. That hike, if it's the waterfall, I think it is. It's a pretty good hike.
Yeah, they say it's a little hike, but it's not really. I mean, it's not like a hike. It's a pussy hike.
Yeah, I was told it's more straight up.
Yeah.
Than long walk. So it'd be kind of cool.
We can do it. We're young. We are strong.
Exactly.
No, because I understand some word, but it's difficult to me to try to understand because you speak so fast.
Okay.
But
that's actually the same problem I have with Mexicans speaking Spanish.
Okay.
Yeah, they're just.
I try to speak English, you try to speak Spanish, and nobody understands.
That's good. Yeah. Let's see where we end up.
Alright, back to the
Stupid old me forgot his driver license, so we gotta go back to the boat. Little setback for now, but
We'll get there.
we get there. I'm so glad I found my driver license. Yeah, it's a picture on the phone, which is okay. But it saves us another ride back to the boat. And we'll get an upgrade, get a bigger car.
We have a car.
You ready?
You ready?
I'm ready.
So we got the car. I'm still starving.
Still.
Let's try to find a place to
Let's
eat.
get food.
Yeah, let's get food. This is a good car. Let's make a donut right in front of the
Oh yeah.
right in front of the store.
I'm sure you'll get your deposit back.
No, we didn't perform a donut. But we stopped to get some basic things. Stopped at a taco stand right next to the road and then started our journey to the falls. I just got a taco con carne y una dorado.
¿Mucha verdura?
Sí, poquito. Good breakfast.
Good breakfast.
Here's our ride for the day. We'll do the job.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Oh, put it in gear. It's better.
Need to be in drive.
The scenery was awesome. Driving on the winding roads through the desert, we were actually surprised how good the quality of the highway was. was a fun drive and took us around 2 hours, but as soon as we saw the ocean, we stopped for a swim. And a beer, of course. From the beach it was only a few miles more, passing dried out riverbeds and finally left the highway. The small village Santiago was surprisingly green, and our hopes to find actually a river with a waterfall were rising again. But then we entered the dusty, unsealed road to the waterfall. And we weren't so confident anymore.
So now we left the sealed part of the road, it's getting unsealed. How's driving, Cory?
It's really soft.
Is it?
You don't actually need to steer it because it will steer itself.
Don't hit that rock here.
Very good thing it's a rental car.
Full cover.
We might need it.
So here we are, Sierra La Laguna. It was a nice dirt road the last couple kilometers. And now we try to find the waterfall. And then we splash into some cold, fresh water. And that is why we're here. They say it's 5 minutes walk. It was 127 pesos entrance fee. Which is not too much, and now we do the big hike. I can hear the water already. There it is. Oh, that looks nice. This is a beautiful place. There were a couple of people here, now they're all gone, and we have it for ourselves. I love it. I could stay here for ages. The rocks are warm, the sun is nice. I like the sound of the cascades here. And it is my birthday today, but it's another special day as well. And actually 5 years ago, I bought Zero. So we have a little anniversary. There's plenty. And yeah, almost no trash here. Everybody brings his beer and takes it with them, and so it's definitely thumbs up. Very, very nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, please leave a like, leave a comment. I'm very happy to answer all your questions. Just me and my boat. It's just me and my boat. One word to describe this place.
Amazing. Amazing.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Spider-Man. Awesome day. Great way to spend your birthday.
Let's find a taqueria.
Alright, let's go. Nothing like getting left on the side of the road to do a video.